From above, this is no longer just a construction site. It's coming to life. Welcome back to the Trống Đồng Stadium channel. Today, we continue our latest update on the Loc Viet Stadium project, 135,000 seats, captured from both on-site and aerial perspectives. Compared to March 14, the transformation is now clearly visible. The site is no longer a flat, undefined surface. Instead, foundation zones, construction grids, and substructure elements are beginning to take shape. The project is rising from the ground. For a project of this scale, the foundation is not the most visible part, but it is the most critical. Everything that will stand above, every stand, every structure, every span, depends entirely on what is happening below the surface. And here's a key signal. A tower crane is now being installed. This is more than just equipment. It marks a transition from horizontal expansion to vertical construction, a phase where lifting, positioning, and assembling structural components will become continuous and essential. At the same time, the on-site concrete batching plant has been completed. This changes everything. It means on-demand concrete supply, reduced dependency on external sources, better control over quality and scheduling, a major step forward in construction logistics and technical readiness. But the most striking element right now is the density of foundation equipment. Over 30 hydraulic piling rigs, 2 board pile drilling machines, and a full fleet of supporting equipment, all operating at the same time. These so-called robotic piling machines are self-propelled hydraulic systems. They move, they position, they press piles with high precision, silently but powerfully, driving precast concrete piles deep into the ground, building the load-bearing backbone of the entire structure. Alongside them, board pile drilling machines are also in operation. One method presses precast piles into the soil. The other drills, reinforces, and casts concrete in place. Different techniques, same objective: to create a foundation system strong enough to support a stadium of this magnitude. Across the site, excavators and bulldozers reshape the ground. Rollers compact the soil. Cranes lift materials and reinforcement cages. Trucks move continuously across the site. Everything is moving. This is no longer preparation. This is full-scale construction in motion. Compared to March 14, today's site tells a very different story. Clearer foundations, more equipment, better organization, and most importantly, a stronger construction rhythm. In the coming weeks, piling and board pile works will gradually be completed, making way for above-ground structures to emerge. And once the tower crane and batching plant are fully operational, the pace of transformation will accelerate even further. This is the stage where everything begins. Not the most visible, not the most spectacular, but the most important. If you're interested in mega construction projects like this, make sure to follow the channel for more updates. And let me know in the comments which part of the project you'd like to explore next. See you in the next video.